Imagine a bird so unique that it could never fly, yet it once roamed freely in lush forests, unaware that humans would change its fate forever. This is the story of the dodo, a species lost to time yet remembered forever. Welcome to Extinct Livings, where we explore the world of extinct animals and the lessons they leave behind. The dodo, or Raphus cucullatus, was a flightless bird that lived exclusively on the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. Standing about a meter tall and weighing around 10 to 18 kilograms, the dodo was no threat to predators, mainly because before humans arrived, there were none. Its large beak, stout body and curious nature made it one of the most distinctive birds on earth. The fun fact is the dodo could weigh as much as a small child. Despite its clumsy appearance, the dodo was perfectly adaptive to its island environment, feeding on fruits, seeds, and perhaps small land invertebrates. Mauritius, a volcanic island surrounded by coral reefs, was a paradise untouched by humans for millions of years. The dodo thrived there, living among giant tortoises and a rich diversity of flora. With abundant food and no predators, there was no need to fly. Evolution shaped the dodo into a bird perfectly suited to island life, but this isolation would also become its undoing. The dodo remained unknown to the rest of the world until humans arrived in the late 16th century. Portuguese sailors first documented the bird in 1598, and later Dutch explorers began to exploit its curiosity and naivety. The dodo had never faced predators like humans or introduced animals such as rats, pigs, and monkeys. Such ate its eggs and destroyed its nests. It in just under a century after human arrival, the dodo went from thriving in the forest to a tragic extinction. The dodo extinction was a combination of human activity and ecological vulnerability. Sailors hunted the dodo for food, though accounts suggest the meat was tough and very not very tasty. More devastating were the animals humans brought with them. Pigs, rats, and monkeys raided dodo nests, eating eggs and chickens. Habitat destruction from settlements and farming sealed the fate of this once flourished species. By the late 17th century, the dodo had vanished forever, a haunting reminder of how fragile island ecosystems can be. Even after its extinction, the dodo continued to fascinate scientists and artists. Fossil discoveries allowed researchers to reconstruct its anatomy, while cultural depictions immortalized it in a story and illustrations, perhaps most famously in Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland. Today, the dodo symbolizes extinction and the importance of biodiversity. The story of the dodo. Firstly, the word dodo may come from the Portuguese doido, meaning fool. The story of the dodo has been fueled modern conservation efforts, reminding us that no species is immune to consequences of human impact. The dodo's extinction teaches us a crucial lesson. Ecosystems are fragile and isolation makes species highly vulnerable. Today, Mauritius is home to conservational projects that aim to protect remaining endemic species like the Mauritius kestrel and pink pigeon. The dodo may be gone, but its story inspired global efforts to prevent more extinctions. Every species lost is a reminder that humans have the power to either destroy or protect the natural world. The dodo may have disappeared from our world, but its legacies live on in a science, art, and the lessons it leaves us. We must remember extinction is permanent, but action is not. By protecting biodiversity today, we can ensure that the story of tomorrow aren't filled with what we have lost. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, subscribe to Extinct Livings for more stories of extinct animals, lost ecosystems, and the wonders of our natural world. Tell us in the comments which extinct animals fascinate you the most.